Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, well-known, creative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone some videos on attendance system. Long back ago I had done attendance system using Streamline and I have also done attendance system using Python. But today's video is really different from these two videos. Today we are going to see attendance system using Python and the attendance is saved in the Excel file. So let us go through the program first. First I will show the Excel file which is empty. I can show you. This is Excel file which is empty. You can see here enrollment number, date and time which is empty. Now we will go through program. Here is the program, little bit lengthy. We will not go through the manual attendance system, we will go through the online attendance system. Now I will execute the program. It will take some time to execute. Yes, enrollment number 101, enrollment name Sanjay Mahajan. Take the image. Yes, image has been taken. Fine. That train the image. Okay, fine. Image has been saved. Now automatic attendance. I will click on automatic attendance. It will take some time to record the attendance. Yes, fine. No, I will not take image saved, enrollment number 101 Sanjay Mahajan. Now we will go through the program here. Yes, it will be saved. Date is also saved and time is also saved. 101. I can view zoom 150. 101 Sanjay Mahajan, date and time is correct time 23.30, and that's all. So I successfully done with attendance system using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will back with more and more creative videos on Streamline attendance system, Python attendance system, natural language processing, deep learning, then DLIB, CNN. Most of the colleges have such type of attendance system where record is stored in the Excel file, because name is also stored, then time is also stored, date is also stored. So that's fine. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com, latest video of Python machine learning. Thanks for watching.